Hello. Today I will tell you how to take part in the EXP Chain testnet. There is nothing complicated about it. Let me show you how to do it. Let's start by adding networks. We add EXP Chain to our wallet. Add BSC Testnet chain to our wallet. And don't forget to add Sepolia chain. Adding token addresses for our networks. Adding tZKJ to Sepolia network. And we add tZKJ to the network BSC Testnet. Great! Now we need to get tokens to pay the fees. We take ETH tokens for the Sepolia network. And we take BNB tokens for the BSC network. Now we need to get test token tZKJ. To do this, go to our faucet website. We choose in which network we want to receive our tokens. In my case it is Sepolia network. Now we insert the address of the wallet where we want to receive tZKJ and request tokens. Now we are ready to make the bridge. Connecting to the site, we select the sender network. In my case it is Sepolia Testnet. We select the desired number of tokens that we want to send. We select the address to which we want to send tokens. We do approve. And we transfer tokens. Congratulations, you did it. Welcome to the future with Polyhedra Network.